Raptor by Juan Pablo Altamirano Paredes. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Raptor, what every Raptor symbol means, and hopefully this could help you in future programs and projects. So we're gonna start. Here we got all the Raptor symbols: the assignment, the call, the input, the output, selection, and loop. This is all the material we have to work. The assignment is a symbol used to change the value of a variable. The call is a symbol used to invoke procedures such as graphics routines and other instructor-provided procedures. The input is symbol is used to ask the user for a number or string while the flowchart is executing. When an input symbol is executed, the user will be prompted with a dialog to enter a value that can be interpreted as a number or as a string, depending on what the user types. The output is a symbol used to write a number or text to send it to the master control window. The selection structure is used for decision making. The programmer enters in the diamond an expression that evaluates to yes being true or no being false. The loop structure is used to repeat the sequence of many symbols until a certain condition is met, meaning there will be a repetition until you get what you want, the answer or what you're looking for. Here we have the main and how every single Raptor program starts, with a start and an end. Me, right now, I'm going to do a Raptor program about how to know if it's an even number, if the number I'm typing is even or odd. So this is how we start. First, we get an input. The input text is enter a number, and we give it a variable of x, meaning that x is a number and we can decide what number that can be. Then we enter a selection. Remember that a selection was a decision, yes or no, true or false. This decision can be looked in the middle in the diamond as x. Remember that x is a number divided by 2 equals 0. If x divided by 2 equals 0, it means that it's an even number and it will go to yes. And if it isn't, it would be that it's no, it's not an even number. Then we add an output. The output we added right here, right below yes, and with the value of the number is even, that if the number is divided by 2 equals 0. And in the other side, on the no, we add another output. The number is odd. This would represent if the division is not divided by 0, meaning that if we add a number and give the value of x as 4, and then we have 4 divided by 2, well, it is a number that could equal 0, and it's not it's an even number because the answer is 2, so it will go to yes. And if we add a number like 5, well, then the answer wouldn't be pure and perfect. It will be with a decimal, so the number will be odd. Here we are doing the example. I'm entering 6 being the value of x, and then the 6 is going to go down and it's going to be divisible by 2. Yes, it's going to be divisible by 2 without leaving a decimal. So it's going to go to yes, and then it's going to go to it is an even number, and then the end. That being correct, we got the answer here that it is that the run is complete and that the symbol is an even number. But what would have happened if we enter a number like 5? Then it would have gone to 2. Is it divisible by 2? No, because the number will have a decimal. So then you're going to know, and it isn't an even number, and then end. But we cannot add loop here right below. So if it is an odd number, it will go back to here, and we will have to add or subtract a number to x until we find what we want, an even number. So this is how you use Raptor, and I hope I helped you. These are the resources we use to help us guide you in this program.